In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to make villagers sleep in Minecraft. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. All you need is a bed. It can be any color and any random bed. And you also need to have your villager around the bed. As you can see, I'm doing this in creative mode, but you can absolutely do this in survival, and I'm only doing this for demonstration purposes. So, the first step is to put the bed down anywhere you'd like. It also helps if you get some blocks and you circle the bed with blocks just so the villager can't escape, or to ensure that the villager stays within range of the bed. This isn't necessary, but it helps to make sure the villager goes inside and sleeps in the bed. So, with the villager around, he will not sleep during the day. The villager will only sleep when it is nighttime and if he's in range of the bed. As you can see, since he was in range of the bed and it's now nighttime, he will sleep. Even if I were to break these blocks around him, he will continue to sleep. The blocks around the bed just help so that way he doesn't walk out of range of the bed. I hope I was able to help you on how to make villagers sleep in Minecraft. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.